Kinong sosnong do kosnong kata nanggri ke bahau apa ka dadeng gri konstitusi ke balawi kemat do James Sangma kila keno. Pa wemle udah ibenya ki hadu snem hapdeng jingshong dum namar ka jing du no jong transformer by boarding electric second kosnong. Hari makan jing jakalami ya ki kot khobor u kotong jaga TMC na dadeng gri urupa emarak ulale benya kendu ya ki paidbah no sosnong menyakan ya ke jing ke jongki. Pa uleh tu bau James ula kular penio ya transformer na do snem ajar kat pra. Pola kula ruban aga jerap san po ajar tengkah dari simale aduk mentah. Kini kajing ni ajung kalau I ki paidbah aga jing ke bakharan do khina school ki paidbah hak ke syong hak jing dum.
Yesterday I came across a news in a local newspaper that one transformer has been damaged in Kantanange village for so many years. And after seeing the news, I have come to Kantanange village today and had some discussion with villagers. They told me that they have even invited the local MLA Mr. James Sangma in 2018. He was the power minister then and requested him to get the transformer repaired. And he assured them that he will give 50,000 donation for the repairing job, and asked the villagers to go to his residence. And for several times the villagers tried to go to meet him to his residence, but he was not available, alleged by the villagers. So it's very disappointing and very sad that it is happening in his own constituency, in my area also. It is just near the Dadengri. There are so many students here, small children, students who are studying in different colleges and schools. Now, here in Kantanange village too, there is total darkness. Students are studying under the lamp and candles. So it's very unfortunate that these people are living in total darkness. So I have assured help to the villagers from my end that I'll do whatever I can, and I'll approach the department also to look into the matter at the earliest. Thank you.